Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. In this post, we dive deep into the Buick Enclave, exploring its safety features, reliability, and overall performance. Today, we're dissecting whether or not the Buick Enclave stands as a safe and reliable SUV option. Let's delve into its features, ratings, and real-world performance to find out. Is the Buick Enclave a safe and reliable SUV option? The Buick Enclave has been rated D+ according to recent evaluations. This rating has sparked discussions among car enthusiasts and potential buyers. In this video, we will delve into the reasons behind this rating and explore whether the Buick Enclave still offers value and reliability despite its grade. Let's take a closer look at the factors influencing this assessment and what it means for consumers considering this vehicle. The Buick Enclave's safety rating. When it comes to the safety rating of the Buick Enclave, it's essential to consider its crash test performance and safety features. Crash test performance. The Buick Enclave has undergone rigorous crash tests to determine its performance in various collision scenarios. With its robust build and advanced safety features, the Buick Enclave has consistently demonstrated impressive results in frontal, side, and rollover crash tests. These tests simulate real-world accident scenarios, providing valuable insights into the vehicle's ability to protect occupants in the event of a crash. Safety features. Equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety features, the Buick Enclave prioritizes the well-being of its passengers. From advanced airbag systems to innovative driver assistance technologies, the Enclave offers a multifaceted approach to safety. Features such as lane departure warning, forward collision alert, and rear cross-traffic alert enhance the vehicle's ability to detect and respond to potential hazards on the road, providing an added layer of protection for occupants. The Buick Enclave's safety rating is a testament to the vehicle's commitment to ensuring the safety and security of its passengers. With top-notch crash test performance and an array of advanced safety features, the Enclave stands out as a reliable and secure choice for discerning drivers and families. Engine performance and reliability. The Buick Enclave comes equipped with a robust 3.6L V6 engine that delivers seamless power and efficiency, providing a smooth and responsive driving experience. This engine is well suited for both daily commuting and long road trips, offering ample horsepower and torque for confident acceleration and passing maneuvers. The direct fuel injection system enhances fuel efficiency while maintaining impressive performance, striking a balance between power and economy. Reliability rating. The Buick Enclave has garnered a commendable reliability rating, with its well-built components and advanced engineering contributing to its overall dependability. Owners have reported minimal issues with the vehicle's drivetrain and powertrain, showcasing its ability to withstand the test of time. With routine maintenance and care, the Buick Enclave has proven to be a reliable and trustworthy companion for daily transportation needs. Fuel efficiency, city and highway. The Buick Enclave offers a competitive fuel efficiency, providing an estimated 18 miles per gallon in the city and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This performance enables drivers to travel longer distances with fewer stops for refueling, making it an efficient choice for both urban and highway driving. Environmental impact. The fuel efficiency of the Buick Enclave not only benefits drivers in terms of cost savings but also contributes to reducing environmental impact. With lower fuel consumption, the vehicle emits fewer pollutants, thereby aligning with eco-conscious driving practices. This means that drivers can enjoy the spacious and luxurious features of the Enclave while minimizing their carbon footprint. Hey there! If you like what you're seeing, drop a comment below and a thumbs up if it's hitting the spot. Don't forget to share with friends who might dig this and hit that subscribe button for more. Interior features, seating capacity and comfort. The Buick Enclave boasts a spacious and luxurious interior, providing ample room for up to 7 passengers. The seats are designed with comfort in mind, offering generous legroom and headroom for all occupants. Whether you're embarking on a long road trip or simply running errands around town, the Enclave's supportive and plush seating ensures a cozy and relaxing ride for everyone on board. The premium materials and thoughtful ergonomics contribute to a first-class seating experience, making every journey a pleasure. If you have come so far and still watching this video, please take a moment to like and subscribe. Technology and infotainment. Equipped with advanced technology, the Buick Enclave delivers a cutting-edge infotainment experience. The intuitive touchscreen interface puts all the controls at your fingertips, allowing seamless access to navigation, music, and connectivity features. With smartphone integration and multiple USB ports, staying connected on the go has never been easier. The Enclave's premium sound system fills the cabin with rich, immersive audio, elevating the driving experience to new heights. Additionally, the inclusion of driver-assistive technologies enhances safety and convenience, ensuring a well-rounded and enjoyable driving experience. Pricing and value and resale value. When considering the Buick Enclave, it's important to take into account the manufacturer's suggested retail price, MSRP, and the expected resale value. The 2024 Buick Enclave starts at around $60,000, offering a range of trims and optional features that can affect the final price. As for resale value, the Buick Enclave holds its value well over time due to its reputation for reliability and quality craftsmanship. Ownership costs. Owning a Buick Enclave involves various costs beyond the initial purchase. These include fuel, insurance, maintenance, and potential repairs. However, the Enclave stands out for its fuel efficiency in its class, potentially providing long-term cost savings. Additionally, the Buick brand is known for its reliability, which can translate to lower maintenance and repair costs over time. Considering these ownership costs in relation to the vehicle's features and overall value is crucial when evaluating the Buick Enclave. In conclusion, the D+ rating for the Buick Enclave is a significant factor to consider when evaluating this vehicle. While it may have some appealing features, it's essential for consumers to weigh the drawbacks associated with this rating. Understanding the implications of this rating will enable potential buyers to make well-informed decisions regarding the purchase of the Buick Enclave. If you found this video helpful or insightful, please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.